Hey kids, it certainly has been a while since the last Toshiba satellite video, I say that all the time. It's been a while since this series. It's been a while since that series. Yeah. If this $80 Toshiba satellite series was a kid, I would get the CBS called on me. Anyways, yeah. This is the $80 Toshiba satellite I bought from a pawn shop. And I actually went to that pawn shop in a recent vlog, so go make sure to go check that out on my second channel. Yeah, anyways, I got this Toshiba satellite from the first pawn shop trip, and they charged me $80 for it. That was kind of a good deal, so I call it the $80 Toshiba satellite. So I've installed multiple operating systems on this in the past. I've installed Windows XP, I've installed Windows Vista, I've even installed a Windows 7 beta. I forget which one it was. I think it was build 6519. But anyways, this is a USB stick with Windows 7 on it. We're going to be installing Windows 7 on the Toshiba satellites. So, bust out your popcorn or whatever you have, or if you don't have any food at all, that'd be nice too. Just pop it in the USB port. It's been a while since I touched this computer, so I forgot exactly where the port is. It's over here. Yeah. So if I do mess up with things, maybe blame that on me not using this computer in a while. So, yeah. So I think F12 is F2 is the BIOS. I think F12 is the boot menu. So, let's try and get this started. I don't know if this USB will be compatible with this computer, because I tried to install Windows 8.1 on this thing. Didn't really work out too well. So, we're gonna see if this works. So we're just gonna, press the power button. Press the power button, hold down F12. It's been a while since I heard that sound, Okay, here is our boot menu, so we can see CD, DVD. There's something in this. No. The hard disk, LAN, and the USB memory, which we will be booting into. Let's see if we can get a bunch of turds. We're gonna press any key to boot from USB. There we go. Windows is loading files. I've installed Windows 7 and Vista so many times on this channel. We've gone through the setup process so many times. And, I've gone through the setup process so many times too, because, I liked to install Windows 7 beta builds, and I actually have them all. Yeah. Or at least most of them. Maybe more than half of them, because some I could not get. Yeah. Starting Windows. Yeah, the color might be a little awful. Maybe this will help. Okay, just focus on that. Okay, here we are. Trackpad still working smoothly. English United States, US. Let's go. Next, install now. this is like kind of reminiscent of the Windows 7 Harmony wallpaper. It looks like you're on the road on the way to the Windows 7 thing. I think it's great. And now all Windows has is like a purple background. I accept the license terms. We're gonna do custom. Wait, when was there 2 partitions? Okay. Well, time to load up. I forgot what the DSK. It was something. Please don't tell me I forgot it. Oh no. Well, I don't even know, like, Shift F10. Okay, that brings up the command prompt window, so disk part, it's disk part. There we go. All right. List disk. Okay. So we're just gonna sell. Can you just press sell all? Oh, I see. So sell disk 0, keep it a comma 1. Sell disk 0. Clean. Sell disk 1. Clean. So now, let's see what happens if we list disk. Okay. Interesting. Error, whatever. Okay. Refresh. Show details. Windows is unable to install to the selected location. But why? Why can't it install? Well, it does display an error code. That could help us. Just gonna search this real quick. Please hold on while I do this. Okay, it might be that the thing is wrong. Like, remember how we had to set the SATA compatibility to RAID back when we were installing XP because it blue screened. Yeah, we might have to do that. Yes, cancel the Windows installation, man. F2. Okay. Okay, SATA controller mode. Yeah, okay, it's in compatibility mode. Does it want us to set it back to AHCI? Or is it something with the disk? Who knows? We're gonna set it to AHCI. Save them changes and exit. Did I press it too late? I pressed it too late. What? Did I select the hard disk by accident? Maybe it's because I got no sleep last night. Yeah. Or was it the USB? USB memory. Okay, now it just straight refuses to load. Great. Just great. Alright. Gotta go, fix whatever's wrong with this goddamn USB drive. Okay, I reformatted the disk. Let's pop it in. Alright. Here we go. Powering it on. Pressing F12. Let's scroll all the way down to USB memory, SanDisk USB 2.0. That seems about right, and enter. Here we are, back at this screen again. English, install now. Setup is starting. I do accept. Let's go. Gonna go custom. This is gonna work. And there we go. Look at that. All we had to do was just reformat the USB for some reason. I have no idea how it got like that. Like, it was like all corrupted and everything. I have no idea how it got like that. But, yeah. So all we have to do is just set it to SATA. And now we're running smooth. So far. It might run into a problem later, but for right now, it's running good. Alright, just gonna let this work. It's magic. Alright, here we are at the setup screen. TWF PC. Of course, we're gonna call it the $80 Toshiba. Oh wait, no, it's $80, not $80. Password? No thanks. Product key? Skip that. Ask me later. It's not March 2016. I gotta go all this way. Or like, can we just, oh, okay, this is a quicker way. And we'll leave it at 8 a.m. It's not really 8 a.m., but... Whoa, it just faded. Don't see that every day. Do we have aero enabled? Because, you know, it's looking pretty good. I've never really seen aero. Oh, but now I have. Oh, look at the aero. Yes. Okay. System security. Does it have the system? System rating not available. Is it too good? Rate this computer. Okay, so I got a 3.3. Cool. Okay. Change the theme. Let's see. Aero themes. Yeah, this definitely is aero. I'd never actually seen aero before, like in person, because VMs aren't very good at displaying aero, so this is cool to have. We can play around with the magnifier. You know, in case you really need to see the screen. Every single pixel that it provides. Alright, and that's it for Windows 7. Actually, is there any games on here? Ooh, yes. Games Explorer. Yes, use recommended settings. No games? That's funny. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.